You know how people say, "Hi guys, how's it going?" We say "Waga" and "Wana."
Wait, you said Waga and Wanda?
Waga na Wana.
I'm Sanai.
And I'm Auntie Chanie.
Welcome to Growing Up Gooding. Today we are going to be making sweetbread. But first, we have a special guest. What is your name?
Danya Keith.
Welcome, Danya Heath. What now? Which one do you go by? Do you go by Danya or Keith? What should we call you today?
Danya Keith, please.
Danya Keith. Got it. Danya.
We have a weird relationship.
How old are you, Danya Keith?
7.
7. Have you baked before?
Never.
Never. This is your first time. Awesome.
Only like one time with Nana.
Question, how do you know Sanai? What is the relation? Who let you in the house?
How do I know you? Are we friends? Are we brothers and sisters? What are we?
We are cousins.
We're cousins. That's what we are.
I see. Welcome, welcome. Okay, like Sanai says, today we'll be making sweetbread, also known as coconut bread. It is quite the staple in Barbados. We eat it all year round. It's usually especially like at the holiday, but people make it all year round. You eat it with tea in the morning, at night. It's a great snack. And it's not only local to Barbados, they make it in Trinidad, in Guyana, and everybody has their different spin on it, and people use different colored cherries. I've seen them with green cherries, red cherries, without cherries. You want to tell us what we need tonight?
So we need flour, nutmeg, brown sugar, raisins, butter, and cherries, and coconut, and salt.
Yes, I feel like that's everything. All right, so we're gonna get started. Basically, you put all of your dry ingredients into one bowl to start.
Coconut?
Nope, no fruit yet. So you're gonna add butter. You're gonna mull the butter around till it's like in this pea-sized shape. Then you're gonna throw in your fruit and then your liquids and try to knead it till it's into like a doughy consistency.
I added my brown sugar, my flour, my salt, my nutmeg, and that is what I would put in.
Perfect.
Okay.
You're gonna need a knife for this. You're gonna cut the butter into like little cubes slice it.
I have it in this like cup.
Oh, that's right. You have it out of a tub. Okay. Toss it in there.
Dump it in there.
You know your hands have to get in here, right?
Me?
Somebody.
Can I put like some gloves on? Or do you need help?
Yeah, let's help him out a little bit.
No, I got this.
All right. Okay.
He doesn't want me to do anything. All he does is do it all by himself. He literally says all the time he's the Flash. He's quick to stuff, and we're still here.
Hey,
What?
patience, fool. You need patience.
You need patience. Patience is a very important virtue.
I could just mix it in now.
Just mix it up with your hands. Mix it all around.
Okay, I'm just gonna use one hand first, and then
Ew.
Yeah.
That one. I just don't want any. I don't want any hand bread.
You don't want any hand in your bread? That's how bread is made.
with your hands.
I'm done eating more burritos. Done eating everything at bread.
No bread?
I thought they just mixed it.
Well, there are some machines that will knead for you, but the the original way of making bread is that you get your hands in there and you get dirty, you mix it up.
Would you like to put your hand in here and start mixing? Come on,
But you said I had to wash my hands, so I gotta wash my hands.
You did. You washed your hands so that you could get your hands in there.
Put your hands in here. Come on.
No.
You need to. If you're gonna be in this video, you need to put your hands in here.
Yep, it is
It's mandatory.
mandatory.
No, it's not sanitary.
Sanitary. What's sanitary?
I mean, sanitary.
Sanitary. Oh
It is
God.
because you washed your hands.
It is.
You serious?
We're serious. Just
I
put,
would miss.
just put one hand in here. Just put one hand. All I'm asking. Do it. Do it. Or I smack you with my other hand.
Okay.
Come on, put your hand in here.
We do not condone violence on this this family show. So now that we've mixed our dry items with our flour, we're going to add in our raisins, cherries, and the coconut. Put all the fruit one time.
This kind of feels like baby poop.
Shush! Go ahead.
This is how it would feel.
How baby poop would feel?
Yeah.
You've been playing in baby poop?
No.
That
I
sounds
think
like
it would feel.
All right. We're gonna put, hello everybody, check in. We're gonna put some of the cherries in. We're gonna leave some out because they're gonna be placed on top of the bread. The raisin, the cherry, and the coconut. Is all of that in? Because we don't want to overheat the bread and make it tough.
oh, look at that beautiful.
Wait, that's coconut?
That's coconut.
Now we're gonna add the vanilla
Yeah, now mix it, please.
and slowly add water. You're just trying to get it to like a doughy consistency. It's not really a measured amount.
Just do this, okay?
And this can be the coconut water from the coconut. This could just be water from the tap. And I think some people use milk as well. A little bit of water and then knead.
Heat stir.
So a good way to knead when you're in a bowl is I usually scoop, pull towards me, press down. And then scoop, pull towards me, press down. See my hand? Ooh.
Yep.
Okay. So I go scoop, press in. Right? Scoop, press in. And then if I notice it's not combining, I'll add more liquid.
Okay. Mine's definitely combined. Why is yours like flour and mine's like sticky?
Probably because of your butter.
Hold it. All right, Auntie, can you see this?
I can. You're looking good. You're looking really good. Okay, I'm gonna chat with Danae Keys for a bit. How you feeling so far? What do you think of baking and getting your hands dirty and the sticky, gooey feeling that feels a little like baby poop?
I feel bad about that. That mixing with my hand, but the rest is good.
So far,
I
so
don't
good.
like it. Also, feeling a little like big poop, but the rest I like.
Okay, sounds good. You gotta get used to the feelings, you know.
Yeah.
You're gonna need a pan. What we're going to do is we're going to create a little wait, I feel like cooks actually say like you're gonna reduce the sugar in.
Yes.
Yeah. Caramelize, you know, those are the key words with everything. Okay, you're gonna put the sugar in the pan with the coconut, a little vanilla extract and nutmeg, give it a little flavor,
Right.
and just mix that up.
So I'm gonna.
So,
So I'm gonna put this in without the stove on, right?
yeah, I like to start without the stove on. I throw it all in there one time.
I put my coconut.
Coconut. You're gonna put about 2 tablespoons of sugar, brown sugar preferably. Right, all right, so 2 tablespoons of water and a dash of nutmeg.
Okay, so like this, Auntie.
Let me see you.
1, 2.
More like a 1, 2.
1, 2.
Yeah,
Done. So I add how much vanilla?
a teaspoon. So now you can turn on the stove and just mix this up and watch as the sugar starts to melt. Like you don't want to keep it on here super crazy long. You're just trying to get
I'm
that.
gonna keep it on low. I'm gonna keep it on low.
So fun fact about your aunt and your grandmommy, we like the stove on high always. So in the cooking industry, I'm sure they tell you to put stuff on low, but in the Gooding household, everything cooks on high.
I'm gonna do it like in the middle. For
Yeah,
starters.
I think that's appropriate. I love that you have good judgment.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. I actually made some sweetbreads on Sunday and used just about all of my brown sugar, so I'm using white sugar today. And over in LA, couldn't find any coconuts, so they're using coconut flakes. But we prefer, I think, in the Gooding household to ride cow. We, as Corey said, we bypass the horse and look for the cow, if possible.
If you don't have horse, ride cow.
So you get your bread pan. I like to use aluminum pans from the stores.
Is this it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, take those apart, give them a little wash out, and then we're gonna grease our pans with some butter and a little flour. You rub the butter around the pan and then put just a little flour in there and knock it about, make sure it's covered.
Keith, say hi to the viewers. Talk about something, because I'm over here doing something.
No. Okay. Hi. My name's Keith.
Baby Keith, I've seen you rapping before. Do you have anything for us?
Oh no.
Yeah.
Are you messing with me? Yo, I want it at the speed of like you're no. I'm about one at the speed of light. Oh, you like you're nothing like night.
Yes.
Isn't that amazing?
I love it. Baby Keith got skills, okay?
Do I put my dough in there yet?
Yes. So here's the plan, right? The plan is you take your pan, you're going to lay down a set of dough that fills it up just about halfway. Then you lay the coconut that we put on the stove down the center like a pipe. Then you put the rest, another set of dough on top, and then you throw it in the oven. We ready?
Is that how you want to do it?
Beautiful.
Let's try it. Let's try it, guys.
What are you talking to?
Guys, I'm talking to the peoples. You know how people say, hi guys, how's it going? We say wagana wana.
Wait, you said Wagana Wanda?
We
I think that's how you
say what going on wanna, which is how you say what's up in Barbados.
Wagana Bada.
What going
Going
on
on
wanna.
one.
There you go. You did it.
Going on one guy. One guy.
Better.
We're gonna put them in the oven for about 30-45 minutes. We always stick a knife in them to see when they're done, or a toothpick, make sure it comes out clean. Then we know it's ready.
Wait, how many?
They're ready to go. So let's put them in the oven. I heard that your breads are coming out looking like they're done. They're brown, and when you stick them, you are getting maybe like a little moisture, but not really dough on the knife.
Let's show.
Yeah, show me what you got.
Let me show you guys.
Yeah. All right. What degrees did you have the oven on?
350.
Oh, okay.
Ready?
This is a lesson in all stoves do not cook the same.
I'm gonna cut it and let's see if I like it.
Oh, mine is starting to come to a done position. Close.
I want
Hold on.
No,
Everybody that's quiet is gonna get some, even though they might not like it.
I put them at the same time.
Go ahead, try it, you guys. What is his face? Do you like it, Keith?
It's bad.
Okay.
Nia, go ahead.
No.
Okay, you don't like it. Okay. Micah, did you like it?
It is super mega bad.
Ouch. Okay. Nia, is it good or bad?
Super mega bad.
Tell us.
Bread tastes yummy.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are you talking about? It's delicious. No, they can't talk about my food. This is delicious. Delia's still eating it. Hold up. No, I don't know what they're talking about. This is
My mini breads are done, but here's the mini one. I saved a little bit of cherries that I did have just for the top so they could look pretty. But these are the minis, and then I just took out the big old one. And yeah, I'm gonna give these away to aunties and uncles and grand because that's what I do. I bake and I give it away because I don't need it. Anywho,
I'm gonna eat mine.
Enjoy. You've now made your first sweetbread. I'm so proud. And you like it. You are your father's child.
I love sweetbread.
There you go. All right. Well, Sanai, tell me your thoughts on your experience of making sweetbread today.
It, like he said, it felt like poop. Well, that's how we would think it felt. But yeah, it was a cool experience. I mean, yeah, I love it. It's really good. I think they're really, really delicious.
All right, well, that's it for today. You learned how to make a sweetbread Bajan style. If I would like to hear how it differs for different islands. Who does make sweetbread? Who doesn't make sweetbread? Is there something to be added that you don't?
Yeah.
We hope you try it out, enjoy, have it with a cup of tea because that is how it should be enjoyed. And thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, I'm gonna pause. Oh, nope, Donick, he's got dance moves for us. Show us what you got.
No. Please don't.
Up.
That's good.
Please cut the stems off the cherries. You're not gonna put the stems in there?
Daddy, we need help.
Listen, the people who watch in the gallery is just watch, okay?
What?
Grandmommy back here. I allowed a viewing audience today, right? So grandmommy is in the background watching, but she's having input. And so, you know, when you go to shows, the audience does not have a say in the shows. They must watch and just enjoy. So she might get put out of the gallery if she don't behave.
Oh.
You gotta take a microphone and take it into the crowd.
Woo. I have to put the cherries in, so like 5 cherries.
That's all you
And I also put 1 cherry in.
Why'd you do that?
It's fine.
That's
One cherry.
fine.
I wanted to do 1 challenge. And
You already did the raisins.
do you think I like raisins?
I don't know. I told you to put them in.
So everybody, if you can hear in the background, Daddy has arrived.
What story?
It's okay, I'm gonna keep that on the recording.